With edelkrone's major new OS2 update, you can now effortlessly bring any camera movement you envision to life, no matter how advanced or complex. And we call this new innovation the edelkrone motion chain. Thanks to the new update, creating advanced multi-axis motions with multiple tracking points is now a reality. And here is what Motion Chain unlocks on the PackShot Master Bundle. You can define up to 6 tracking points across 12 camera positions, assigning any point to any position for automatic switching. The synchronized turntable tracking feature allows you to perfectly track any off-center point, even as its position shifts with the rotation. Auto-calculated pan, tilt, and focus do the hard work, shrinking your setup time into mere minutes. And kinematic tracking ensures obstacles in front or the shape change of the subject never interrupt your tracking. This level of cinematic storytelling doesn't just set you apart, it elevates your entire portfolio. It empowers you to execute those high-budget commercial moves that previously required impractical robotic arms. Delivering this exclusive aesthetic will attract premium clients who demand the absolute best. To let you see for yourself just how easy it is to set up these shots, we've created dedicated shot breakdown videos on the Edelkrone Academy. Watch our behind-the-scenes videos to see how the new update effortlessly brings these motion chains to life in just a few minutes. Motion Chain also unlocks extraordinary capabilities across all our advanced multi-axis systems. To discover the full potential of these setups, watch the dedicated videos featured on each bundle's page. You can update your devices by installing the free edelkrone version 2 app and start creating right now. And for those still waiting to enter the world of cinematic motion, join the edelkrone family of creators now and start shooting without limits.